What's going on, guys? I am back with another video. I think a cold front came through. I just got a blast of cool air. Yeah, cold front definitely came through because we have a south wind now instead of a north wind. Anyway, what's up? I'm Gage, and I'm back with another video. This video is gonna be a simple and short one, actually. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Humpty Dumpty went to bed, he couldn't get up in the morning. Yes, it's raining out. You guys are probably saying, Cage, it's probably just that stinking tractor thing that came off the track. Actually, no, it's not. It's actually raining. I'd put you guys up in the sky, but can't. You're like a $13 phone per month. I'm not risking that. So, forget that. But anyway, yeah, it's raining. It's probably a super cold rain. Yep, the cold front definitely came through. So yeah, like I said, it's raining, and it's pouring, and the old man is snoring. Actually, no, the old man isn't snoring. Unless, actually my grandpa may be snoring, but I don't know. No, he's not old either. He's only like in the 70s. Not too bad. So no, he is not old. He may be snoring, I don't know. And yeah. Well, we got free car washes for everyone. Literally. So yeah, see you guys next time. Until then, peace.